Hi, everybody. Angela Duggan here. I'm driving in a car today. I'm here with my pals, Jimmy Perry, KB, and Victoria, and we are here to announce our latest coaching series. It's going to be an exciting time. We're going to talk to you about how to list and be successful in a shifting market. And our first meeting will start on Monday, June 6th at noon. We're condensing them down to 30 minutes for you, so you're really going to get a lot of information really quickly. And with that, I'm going to pass this over to Jimmy so he can tell you a little bit more about our first program.
Yeah, first session, guys, is going to be all about mindset. So one thing we're doing with the coaching, before we start to get into the different skills that we're going to go over and strategies, we want to first make sure that we're in the right state of mind. And that's tough to do when we've experienced the market we've just experienced. It can be a little bit defeating at times, but that is a tough mentality to approach your success with if you're frustrated or defeated by this market. So what we want to do is help give you guys some skills, not just a rah-rah pep talk, so that you can make sure and get in that winner's frame of mind so that we can tackle the next several topics and fuel your success.
Hey guys, then we're going to go in from not only from mindset, then we're going to shift into listing maintenance, and then to talk about some dialogues, especially like, the commissions dialogue, as far as that 225 fee that you guys are probably missing out on a decent amount of change if you're absorbing that cost for your clients. So we want to make sure that we can pass that along and have that as a comfortable conversation with your people. We'll also talk about getting Moxie Present and using video in your presentation to help you guys stand out in comparison to the competition. So it's really all about what we're just talking about. It's about shifting our focus in this market that is in a shifting trend, right? So stay tuned over the next 6 weeks. Victoria's going to share with you a little bit more details about what to expect.
Yeah, awesome. We hope that you guys can join us from anywhere that you are. You can see we are all in different places. Angela's in her car. Join us from your office. Join us from home, wherever it is. Mondays at noon, 30 minutes. Look for the registration link in this post. And then Monday morning, we will send you the join link. It'll be over Zoom just like this. And that will come from Tucker Training at talktotucker.com. So look for that Monday morning. I'm going to try and get it out kind of early.
Awesome. Hey, we look forward to seeing you guys. We can't thank you enough for being a part of this coaching session with us. I think it helps us grow as well. So we look forward to seeing you Monday at 12 o'clock for 30 minutes. Have a great weekend.
Bye, everybody.